Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to put mohawks and 3 turns together into combinations. We'll start with forward outside 3 turn, followed by 3-step mohawk and push into backward outside edge. So you're going to start with forward outside 3 turn from left leg, and then from right foot you're going to do 3-step mohawk and push into backward outside edge on the left foot, and then you're going to do same with other leg. Try to make big patterns and extend your legs. Then we're going to move to forward inside 3 turn and going to do 4-step outside mohawk in the same circle. So left inside 3 turn, right outside mohawk, and then right inside 3 turn, left outside mohawk. Next one will be backward outside 3 turn with forward inside 3-step mohawk. So you're going to go right inside 3-step mohawk and right outside 3 turn, left inside 3-step mohawk and left backward outside 3 turn. Keep working on extension, cover as much ice as you can, bend your knees, bend your ankles. And now we're going into backward inside 3 turn, power pull and 3-step mohawk into another backward inside 3 turn, change your edge, start new circle with 3-step outside mohawk and again backward inside 3 turn. So right mohawk and on the same foot right backward inside 3 turn. Nice extension on the power pull and after 3 turn. Now we're going to add chasse, forward chasse and backward chasse to our combinations. And we're going to do double 3 turns with it. So forward outside chasse, power pull, inside 3 turn, outside 3 turn. And again chasse from right leg, power pull, forward inside 3 turn, backward outside 3 turn. Big patterns, nice flow and extension. And same with backward outside chasse, change of edge from backward outside to backward inside and double 3 turn. Chasse, change your edge, backward inside 3 turn, forward outside 3 turn. And again. And I have bonus exercise for you today. We're going to put all steps together into combination, and we're going to do this in a slow motion that I can explain you each step we're going to do. So we're going to start with chasse, power pull, mohawk, toe step, power pull, chasses, power pull again, and cross rolls. So we're covering all 6 types of steps here. First one, forward outside chasse. Second, mohawk. Third, toe step. 4, power pull. 5, chasses. And 6, cross roll. We're going to repeat this from other foot. From right foot, chasse, change of edge into mohawk, toe step, power pull, chasses, power pull again, and cross rolls. And one more time in slow motion. Chasse from right outside, power pull from or change of edge from outside to inside, toe steps, power pull from inside to outside, chakta 1, 2, 3 on inside edge, power pull on outside, and forward outside cross roll. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.